So if you want to sew garters, the first thing you're going to do for you to sew garters is for you to set this up. So just make it to the loose. Like if you set the width at this number, it's going to be too tight. So you're going to put it here, like number 5. I just usually set it at the last part. It depends on the kind of fabric. If I have a stretchy fabric, I can put it to the last part. If I don't have a stretchy fabric, I can say put it like so. Just make it a little bit loose. So today I'm using a stretchy fabric, this one, so I'm just going to do the stitches to be a bit loose. So what you're going to do is to sew along this line and don't top stitch it. You don't have to top stitch it, you're just going to sew straight. I'm going to put this here. You would want to give a gap of maybe half an inch thereabout or less. So you can do half an inch or less. Now look at it. You probably won't be able to see it from this angle, but I can show you, like from here. You can see the stitches. You can see that they are very big stitches. So what you're going to do is to pick from here. I think I'll pick the colored one, and then you now start pulling in. You can see, start pulling in. Pulling in gently. On the other side, you do the same thing. Do the same thing. You start pulling in as well. Gently, so that it doesn't snap. You'd have to be very careful so it doesn't snap. I often do it till I get to the middle, and then you can now take a measurement of the waist of what you wanted actually. Go back to this side. You can see there we have it. You have your gathers. You have your gathers. So to make a pleat is very different. I'm going to put up another video to show you how to make pleats, but this is your gathers. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe for more tips on sewing coming your way. See you next time. Bye.